Good morning everyone. As you know that we have started the second chapter of biology, that is tissue, in which first we start the plant tissue. So that's why a plant is in my hand, you can see it. In this plant we can identify the different type of tissue. But before that you should know that the part of the plant which is inside the root, inside the soil, that is known as root, and the part of the plant which is present above the soil, that is known as shoot. So in shoot and in root, these tissues are having different positions. So in these particular tissues, I want to explain the very first tissue, that is known as meristematic tissue. The cells of meristematic tissues are continuously divided. So this kind of tissue helps to provide growth in the plant. Either the growth is height wise or either the growth is in its diameter. A meristem is of three types. One is known as apical meristem. Apical meristem is present at the tip of shoot and also present at the tip of the root. So apical meristem कहाँ present है? रूट की टिप्स पर या फिर जो शूट है, शूट की टिप्स पर present है. Another one is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem is present at these joint which we call node and internode. This one is internode and this one is node. So it is present at the node and internode. Another third one, that is lateral meristem. Lateral meristem, as its name lateral, it is present laterally. देखिए laterally क्या होता है? Laterally the tissue is like that, that and that one. So the tissue is present laterally in this area. This tissue which is present laterally in this area, this is known as lateral meristem. Now the function. Apical meristem, as it is present at the tip, and I told you this kind of tissue has a continuous growth in their cell. So the tip of the shoot and the tip of the root, they will increase in their length by the dividation of the apical meristem cell. So the meristem which provide growth in the height of the plant. So this kind of meristem is apical, and the growth in which the plant increase in their height, this is known as primary growth in the plant. So apical meristem helps to provide primary growth of the plant. Second one is intercalary meristem. Intercalary meristem, I told you it is present at these particular point. You can see here that from this point a branch appears. It may be a branch, and on a branch it may be a leaf, it may be a flower, it may be an organ. So the part of the plant which appear from this area, it provide growth to that plant, and the leaf, the flower and the fruit are known as organs of the plant. So intercalary meristem provide a growth to the organs. Third one is lateral meristem, that I told you it is present in this lateral side, in this area, in the stem and lateral side. Lateral side, that means now the plant stem is thick, but when the lateral meristem grow, then the plant increase in its diameter. Plant के stem की मोटाई बढ़ेगी lateral meristem की growth होने से. So when the lateral meristem grow, then the plant increase its stem in its diameter. So increment of the diameter of the plant by the meristematic activity, this is known as secondary growth. So apical meristem is responsible for the primary growth, which is the height, and lateral meristem is responsible for the secondary growth, which is the diameter of the plant. I think it is clear to all of you. In the next session I will discuss about the next tissue of the plant.